Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice weight bench. This is going to be fantastic, especially if you don't have a lot of room, like in an apartment or something like that, because the whole thing folds up. It came just like this. You don't have to install anything, which is absolutely fantastic as well. And I'm going to show you how quickly this is. It's got these safety pins to keep these from popping out. Simply pull those out. You've also got a couple of these little pieces here. These are going to lock it into place once you're done. Pull it up. You've got this piece here that's going to pull out to allow this to lock into place. Same goes for the bottom. Pull this part out, whip it down. We're going to lock that into place down here. Now that's all ready to go. Flipping this over like this. It's that simple. Now you've got these pieces here because on the back side of here, you actually can screw this down to give this extra stability. And this thing is built really well and it's really stable. I'm going to show you how stable this thing is, and it actually holds up to 1,000 pounds. So that is amazing that this thing can hold that much weight on this. So now that those are locked into place, this thing is not going anywhere. I mean, I can jump up and down on this. I weigh 200 pounds and it's not giving it all. This has a 3-inch thick, high density pad that has this really nice cover that's easy to wipe off. That's really nice. And it has this anti-slip on the bottom to keep this thing from moving around. So I've got this on some hard floor, but even on carpet, this is going to help prevent that from doing that. I'm going to move this down here a little bit. Now, to give you an idea, I am 6'2". This is a nice size. If I'm going to be sitting on here working out, again, I'm completely on here at 6'2". The frame on this underneath, as you're doing workouts, is not bowing. It doesn't have any give to it at all. So that's nice and stable, but the pad makes this extremely comfortable as well. So that's really nice. Even if you're doing leg exercises or you're needing to put your knee even right in the middle of this thing, you know, it's not going anywhere. I'm putting a lot of pressure directly right on the middle of this and it's not going anywhere, which is really nice as well. Even if you're needing to go ahead and put your elbows on it, maybe you're going to do some arm exercises on this thing. You could easily do arm exercises, leg exercises. I mean, this is a really beautiful design, and the fact that you can fold this up makes it extra convenient, especially for people that don't have a lot of extra space. Maybe you don't have a full home gym, but you need to have a nice place to work out. This gives you that ability to do that and would work well for pretty much anyone's home.